Next, we're going to draw valid or possibly invalid, but we're going to try and draw valid conclusions using the log syllogism. So this time, they're going to give us two statements, and they want you to try and come up with a valid conclusion that we can draw out of it. So the example that they give us is this. It's given, if you get a job, then you'll earn money. If you earn money, then you will buy a car. The valid conclusion that we can draw out of this then is if you get a job, then you will buy a car. That is a valid conclusion. The only way this works, though, is the conclusion of my first statement has to be the hypothesis of the second. Once that happens, then I can draw a valid conclusion stating and using the hypothesis of the first and the conclusion of the second. I can jump to that valid conclusion. And that's what we're going to look at. We're going to see, can I draw those valid conclusions based on what is given to me. So, let's jump down to this one, number 4 down here at the bottom. It says, determine which statement follows logically from the given statement. So, my statements are right here, number 1 and number 2. If you do not get enough sleep, then you'll be tired. If you are tired, then you will not do well on your test. Well, we should be able to draw a valid conclusion from this, because this conclusion is the hypothesis of my second statement. Therefore, I can make a valid conclusion stating, if you do not get enough sleep from this portion, then you will not do well on your test. The times you'll have to write this, they gave it to you as choices, F, G, H, and J. You can find that one as letter G. If you do not get enough sleep, then you will not do well on your test. That's the answer that they are going for. If we go up to the one before, okay, here are my statements, 1 and 2. If you like musicals, then you enjoy theater productions. If you are an actor, then you enjoy theater productions. Okay, this time we are not able to draw out a valid conclusion. This is going to be letter D, because I want you to see this. You're looking at the conclusion of the first and the hypothesis of the second. Notice that those are different. Those are not the same. You actually see this, you enjoy theater productions, as both conclusions. You cannot draw out a valid conclusion from this. The conclusion of the first is not the hypothesis of the second. It does not work.